I think there's almost like a new type of entrepreneurship mindset out there. And it's not like I want to do this full time and have it be like my primary source of income. I want to do this to make extra money. We unfortunately, I feel like, live in a time where a normal salary isn't going to necessarily cut it if you want to dream big and if you want to, you know, get into real estate, or if you want to even just buy a house. You know, a normal salary is like not going to cut it. So that's kind of where the side hustle type culture came in. And we're not all about like hustle culture. A lot of people think we're into like, you got to just grind it out. But I think we believe more in like the temporary grind for the life you want later, or the just time freedom in it. That's kind of what we're all about.
That is hustle culture though.
No, I mean, it depends on if you're more materialism based, or if you want time with your family.
But what are you saying? That like right now you're willing to give up time with your family so later you can have it? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
See, I disagree. I feel like right now I would rather spend time while my kids are at home and little and work when I'm, 60 to 65 rather than work when I'm 30 to 35.
Well, what are you going to do then if you don't have enough money to do that? It's tricky.
Now? What do you mean?
Yeah, like if you want to spend time with your kids now, but you got to go to a job, what are you going to do?
I know. Well, then you have your side hustles.
But then it might take away from time with your kids.
Right.
Yeah.
You got to work.
It's
kind of a bummer.
I know. So
kind of a bummer, but I don't believe that you should like work 80 hours a week now so that you can retire and never work when you're 50, because then it's like, well, you might have
missed out on your kid's childhood.
Yeah. So if there's a balance in there, but
yeah, that's actually something I've been thinking about lately, is that you can have a really honorable, like, why am I doing this? Why am I investing in real estate?
Yeah.
Why am I working really hard? Well, I want to spend more time with my kids, or I want to leave them a legacy. But then you end up working 80 hours a week. It's kind of like self-defeating, and it's kind of like you're still making a bad choice, even though you have the right mindset or desires. So, you got to navigate that carefully.
I think it's really good for your kids to see you work hard, though. Like, because it's good to work hard. Like, we're meant to work hard.
Right.
At times, but we're also meant to rest.
Mm-hmm.
So like, I don't know, it's good for your kids to see that in you, to see that drive and that like hard work is a good thing. But when that becomes like almost like your form of validation, or your like God of sorts, is like that you work hard and you're successful, that's when it gets like when you're almost like addicted to it. Yeah.
You can tell we don't have it all figured out. We're still navigating it. Yeah. It's good to talk about, and that's kind of, it's going to be like therapy for us.
You think so?
No, I don't know, but it's good to think through, your priorities and what you want out of life. And